This video is all about creating a simple test or quiz using Google Forms and attaching e-certificate to it. This will help all those who want to conduct an online test and provide e-certificate to the winners. It is indeed a great method to be adapted by school teachers for small assessment and to provide appreciation in online mode. Now let us start. First, log into your Gmail account. If you don't have one, please create one. And the right top, you can see certain dots. Click on that. It will take us to Google Apps. Select the Drive app. Now, in the Drive page, you can see a new button with a plus sign on it. Click on that. In that, select Google Forms and select a blank form. Now it will take us to the Google Form page with the default Google Form. Now let us set some properties. For that, select the settings at the right top. Then here you can set some general instructions. That is, you can collect the emails from the respondents. You can limit the response to 1. Here in this quiz, I want to limit the response to 1. I don't want the candidates to reattempt the test many times. There are certain other options too. Now I'm going to make this for my quiz. For that, select the quizzes option at the top. Then switch on the button make this a quiz. Then we have more options. We can release mark immediately after each submission or later after a manual review. Then we can set what all things the respondent can see. There are 3 options. So I am checking all these options. So students can see the missed questions. They can see the correct answers if they have given a wrong one. And also they can see the point that they have scored. Now save the changes. Now let us start typing a quiz. First of all, give a title. Here I am giving sample quiz. Then you can give a small description about the form if you want. So here this is a simple science test, science quiz for high school students. Usually Google Forms gives us multiple choice questions as default, but there is a provision to change the type of question. So here, first of all, I'm going to ask certain general questions. So I want to collect certain general information. So first question will be name of the student. Now this can be a multiple choice question. So I'm changing it into short answer. Then click on the required button at the right bottom so that no one can omit this question. Then add another question by clicking the plus sign given at the right side. Now second general information I want to collect is about the standard. I am also making it a short answer question and making it a required question. Now I'm going to start typing in the questions for the quiz. So you can use the plus button at the right side to add questions. Now here goes my first question. Now I am going to make it a multiple choice question itself. So I just need to type in the options. You just have to click on the options and type in the distractors. You can give as many distractors you want. Here I am going to give 4 distractors. Now I want to give the answer key for this question. For that, click on the answer key in blue letters at left bottom. Then just select the correct answer. Then you can set the points to this question. Here I am going to give 1 point to this question. Now you can add, you have to make this a required question so that no one will omit this question. Now you can add as many questions you want. So in this form, I have added 2 more questions. and made it all compulsory. So my sample quiz has a total points of 3. Now the title of the form is untitled. We have to change this. Just double click on that, then automatically the title of the form will come there. You can give another name if you want, then you have to type in the new name. Now I want to link an e-certificate to this. For that, go to the right top, there is 3 button, click on that, 3 dots, click on that. Certain options will come. There is an option called add-on, click on that. Then a pop-up window will appear. The pop-up window will show all the add-ons provided by Google for forms. Some of them are free, some of them are paid versions. Here I am going to select an add-on named Certify M, which I find very useful and easy. Now this Certify M, the basic version of Certify M is a free version, but if you need advanced option, you have to pay a little money. Now you have to install this add-on. It will ask about the Google account to which we need this add-on to be attached. So I am selecting the Google account. So it will ask for certain permission. Allow it. And it is almost done. Now just close the pop-up window. Now let's see the add-on. There is a button at the top. Click on the add-on button. You can see the newly added on Certify M. Select Source Certify M controls. Again, a pop-up will come. It will give us certain options where we can set some criteria. So this is how the pop-up looks. So here you can set the passing marks, the percentage of passing marks. So then you can, there are certain templates, certain default templates given by this add-on. You can preview all of them. These are the symbol templates given by this particular add-on. These are all free, but we can make our own customized template also. Now let's see how we can make that. For that, you have to select an option, use a custom template. In this template, it will ask us to select the new file. This will lead us to our drive space where all our Google slides are saved. Now for that, so we have to create a new Google slide for this particular certificate. So go to Google Drive, select Google Slides, new slides, and this will be the window. Here there will be certain themes available. So I am going to select a theme from the already available ones. So let us make a certificate with this template. Here you can type in all the details that you want in your certificate. Now, if you want a more customized one, you can ask somebody to design a certificate for you, and you can save it as an image and insert that image here, and you can insert text box for procuring individual details. Okay, so here I am giving or I am typing a certificate of merit. Now this is a certificate, this is to certify that. Now I am going to give a double braces, and in which full name is typed in, then close the braces. Here the name of the student will appear, of standard, then another one is again double braces, other identifier has one, the science quiz. So actually here the first question that we have asked will come as full name, and the second question we have asked will come as other identifier. So here we have asked name of the student. So in the full name option, the name of the student will come, and in the other identifier option, the standard will come. So any question that we have asked as the second question will appear in the portion other identifier. Now, as in the PowerPoint presentation, we can make changes in our edited text. You can move it to wherever you want. You can add on details. Now I want certain other information in this certificate. So I am going to insert text box. First of all, I am going to give an e-certificate ID so that I will be able to know how many certificate has been issued in this particular sample quiz. So there also you have to give certificate ID in braces, double braces. Don't forget to add double braces. Now for authenticity, you can add signatures of the coordinator and head of the institution. So you just have to insert more text box and type in all the details that you want in your e-certificate. Now for inserting this signature, you will first need a digital signature, and you can save it as an image, and you can insert that digital signature in this slide. So just go to insert image option. From there you can upload the digital signature from your computer and paste it here. So our certificate is almost ready. Now let's see how we can connect this certificate to our form. Before that, we will rename the certificate so that we can easily identify our certificate. So coming back to our form, you have to select the add-on Certify M, select Source Certify M controls. Now the Certify M, certification is actually automatically turned off. We have to turn it on, then only the students will be receiving a certificate immediately after submitting the sample test. Okay, so again we can set the passing marks here. Since I have only given 3 questions, I am going to give passing percentage as 60%, so that we can see what happens to the wrong question. Now again we can have to change the template to the customized one. So go to use customized option, and it will ask you to select the new file. So we can select the new file, that which we have just made, the certificate file. Select it, save changes. Now this new certificate will be attached to this sample quiz. Now we can see that. Okay, now let us try this test so that we can view how our certificate will be. So since the certificate will be mailed to a email ID, we need to give an email ID. It will be automatically asked for a email ID. The students will have to type in the email ID, then all the informations that we have given in our sample quiz. So here the student can type in their name, they can type in the standard, then start attempting the quiz. So they can go through each question and give answers. Now once they submit the quiz, they will get a window like this. Here they can view the score. So there they can view all the details that they have entered, their email ID, the name, the standard, and also about the answer. So here, since the second question is a wrong one, here the student can see which is the correct answer. So also he can see the total points scored. Now in the Gmail account, they will find the certificate automatically reached. So the certificate will be like this. Now you can see that the name has come. There is a certificate ID, name has come, and also The standard typed in has come. So this is the certificate. Of course, there is a watermark since we are using a free version. Thank you. Hope this will be helpful for you all.